people. Oh man. All people are text people. Hey guys, it's Taylor. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're a subscriber and if you're new, welcome. I am not normally a redhead. Okay, well, if you can't tell, I'm playing a little alter ego, a little sexy Tay today with some red hair and a deep smoky look for Valentine's Day if you're wanting to go out and party versus a boring, you know, sit down dinner. Just kidding, I love those things too. I am such a hopeless romantic. But if you are doing a little something different or you want to just look a little different, I suggest you keep watching because we're going to do this look right here, which is very different for me on a normal day basis. But it's always good to have fun, right? So I really appreciate you coming by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. So I got my eyebrows on. Let's jump into this eye look. And no, I haven't finished straightening this wig. I just got it on, so don't judge me. And also, y'all, I'm like playing a lot. I haven't ever done this bright of a color, so it's a little shock. It's a little shock going on. I'm just smoking this out sort of as a base color, and then we're gonna deepen it. My lights are really bright, so this red hair is like on fire on camera. It's not that bright, of course, in real life. I love these two colors by themselves, but I think we are going to do something a little more feisty. I want to do something ultra sexy. Well, I didn't plan for that, but we added a little sparkle with Keisha Kayor's glit stick, the throwback, but the glitter portion of it. So now I'm going to prep my eyelashes by getting the glue on them ready to dry, and I'll do my liner and mascara. Gonna pop those on, then I'm going to do my face real quick. Actually, these lashes are not dramatic enough, I'm pretty sure. Gonna have to use a different pair. Let's see. Yeah, a different pair. My biggest, well not biggest pet peeve, but one of my pet peeves is if you do an extra eye look, please don't put no basic ass lash with it. Like, it just doesn't look good to me. But beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so do you. But if you're here to learn or if you're here to get advice about makeup, there's my advice, okay guys? If you're gonna be extra, you gotta follow through and be extra all the way. Don't be scared. Don't turn back now. It can get a little scary. I mean, look at this bright ass red. It's sad that how many pairs I have, like, to go through. Here we go. It's that big body. Oh, but let me say this as well, since I'm on the lash advice given. These new motherfucking lashes out there that are like a baby animal on your eyelid, I don't agree for that either. There's a happy medium, guys. Let's search for the happy medium. I am all for a dramatic look, okay, honey? I like to play. I like to have fun. But y'all can't be looking like Bambi. It's a little bit too much. And today might not be the day for me to say that, as I'm in a bright red wig with bright red makeup on. But I'm still gonna say it anyway, because it's my channel, okay? If you don't like it, go home. Just kidding, don't leave me, guys. Subscribe. Okay, where's my lash glue? Always multitask. Have your lash glue drying before you put on your liner and mascara, so you're not waiting, not doing anything. Or do your face or whatever you need to do. All right, so let's put some liner on. Don't have to be perfect because the black's right there. I'm gonna do my face really quick because this was about the eye look. So BRB. Oh, I got that in my eyeball. Oh man, I forgot to do my under eye while I was baking, but it's okay. We'll do it and I just won't mess it up. So for the lip, I think I'm gonna do just like an ombre, including like some plums and deep reds into like a nude. I don't want to do like a bright red. I already have the red hair. I already have red in my eye look. So yeah, we're gonna change it up for the lip. I also have powder on my sheer shirt now, so that's awesome. But it's okay. Not going anywhere. I just got dressed for YouTube. Y'all, that didn't turn out right. I can't find my nude. It's way too bright. It's not what I wanted. It's denied. It's canceled. Where the freak is my nude? I need more nudes in my life. We might just do my liner plus my natural lip color and some gloss. Makeup is removable and you need to think on your feet, okay? Also, I've been loving like a non-highlight look, but again, with such a dramatic face, you have to add a little sheen. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Glow palette, and then we'll spray again, and then I'll do my hair, and that'll be the final look, guys. I really want this mesh to be clean. Looks gross. Yay! Okay. Now I feel better. Okay, so not a wig pro yet, but I don't think this looks too bad for my first few attempts, you know? Okay guys, and this is the final look. I like it. I'm super pleased with it. I think we successfully created something sexy, something smoky, something a little different for me. Like a lot different for me. But I do want to, like, you know, just play some more and find some time to play and make some time to play because your girl is busy. But I'm so glad that I was able to and get on here, and this will be up in time for Valentine's Day. Actually, it will be up the day before, most likely. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you coming by, and I'll see you next time. Now let me go show my man this, because he gonna be like, oh girl, what's your name? And make me take a ton of pictures.